Craving something rich, creamy, and utterly delicious tonight? Look no further. This chicken Alfredo recipe is a weeknight hero, perfect for busy schedules and guaranteed to impress. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen. First, let's get our chicken ready. Season bite-sized pieces of chicken breast with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Sauté them in a hot pan with a little olive oil until they're golden brown and cooked through. This step adds incredible flavor and texture. While your chicken cooks, boil your favorite pasta according to package directions. Fettuccine is classic, but penne or rotini work beautifully too. Remember to reserve about a cup of that starchy pasta water. It's our secret weapon for a silky sauce. Now for the magic. In the same pan, melt some butter, then whisk in minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. Gradually stir in freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's smooth and luscious. If too thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water. Add your cooked chicken and drained pasta directly into the creamy Alfredo sauce. Toss everything together until every strand is coated in that irresistible goodness. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. You just made an amazing meal.